Good morning. Today I want to present about our case study, which titled Study of Musculoskeletal Pain Types Among Mechanical Engineering Workshop Users in Kulim. We are from Mechanical Engineering Department, Tuanku Sonah Bahyah Polytechnic, Kulim, Kedah. Me as presenter, which name Mariati binti Mak Soat, and my member teams are Umi Suriana binti Jami'on and Siti Hajar binti Ismail. First, our introduction. Musculoskeletal is the relation between muscle and skeleton, including bones, joints, tendons, and muscle in the human body. This study adapted the Nordic Musculoskeletal Disorder Questionnaire and the macroergonomic approach survey to investigate the main factors contributing to work discomfort. Macroeconomics is a field of science that focuses on designing the entire work system, or WS, by providing the knowledge and methods needed for the improvement of work system, aimed at developing the effectiveness and performance of the company. There are 3 items in Code of Practice in Engineering Laboratories are used as macroeconomic factors in this study, which are workplace environment and safe movement, and second, workstation, third is cleanliness or hygiene. Another macroeconomic factor in this study is the management factor. The study involved 355 respondents from 3 TVET institutions in Kulim, which are Tuanku Sonah Bahyah Polytechnic, Malaysian Spanish Institute or UniKL, and Advanced Technology Skills Center or EdTech, and their perception of macroeconomic factors and Nordic questionnaire were analysed. So our research objective, first one, to identify the types of musculoskeletal pain most often experienced by users in mechanical engineering workshop in Kulim. The second, identify the main macroeconomic factors that contribute to work discomfort at the mechanical engineering workshop in Kulim. So our design studies, we use the standardized Nordic musculoskeletal questionnaires. The aim was to develop and test a standardized questionnaire methodology allowing comparison of low back, neck, shoulder, and general complaints for use in epidemiological studies. The tool was not developed for clinical diagnosis, but the questions refer to the parts on the human limb. The questionnaire used the Nordic scale, which is 1 for no and 2 for yes. So figures show the parts of the body that considered in the Nordic questionnaire. So we can see the head, neck, shoulders, upper back, elbows, low back, wrists, hips, knees, ankles. In our Nordic test question, the first one, have you at any time during the past 12 months experienced problems such as discomfort pain? In. The second, have you had any problem for the past 7 days? And third, in the last 12 months, you have been prevented from carrying out normal activities such as official works, housework, hobbies because of this problem. So question papers distributed 465 pieces. So question paper written 350. So study instruments, so demographic, we have 7 item. Musculoskeletal symptom, about Nordic questionnaire, 27 item. Workplace safety or macroeconomic, we have 18 and 523rd, 23rd item, 23 item. And macroeconomic for management, we only have 4 item. For do not agree, we divide for minimum 1 to 167. Simply agree 1.68 to 2.34. Agree 2.35 to 3. So from the analysis, result and analysis, for objective number 1, question number 1, Have you at any time during the past 12 months experienced problems such as pain, discomfort in? We found that the neck and shoulder is the most frequencies in the answer. So Nordic question number 2. Have you had any problem for the past 7 days? So for answer yes, 31. And for up the back, for answer yes, 33. So for question number 3, in the past 12 months, you have been prevented from carrying out normal activities such as official work, housework and hobbies due to the knee problem. For the neck, the frequency, for yes, 27. And for part shoulder, for the answer yes, 25. So objective number 2, for the item number 1, which is safe workplace environment and movement. We can see item 16, the building is well maintained. And for item 22nd, employees are exposed to appropriate levels of noise. So for these two items, the mean we got is the lower 0.46. And for this factor, average mean, we got 2.56. For the macroeconomic, second macroeconomic work session, but the lowest for item number 30, the layout in the workshop had no work problem causing injuries, which are 2.45. But for this second macroeconomic average mean, 2.52. For the macroeconomic number 3, about cleanliness or hygiene, we got for item number 38, existing equipment is regularly cleaned and maintained. Show that it got the lowest mean, which 2.48, but average mean 2.57. Management, average mean for this macroeconomic factor is 2.46. For conclusion, the first objective, the study found that pain in the neck and both shoulder was most often experienced 12 months and within the last 7 days. Pain in the neck still shows the highest percentage for the third item. The study will be continued further to find the reasons why pain in the neck area showed the highest percentage values from the 3 parts in the Nordic questionnaire. The initial expectation is that the implementation of practical work that takes 4 hours for each practical session was the main factor in this neck pain. For conclusion, second objective, the highest means is the cleanliness factor, which is 2.57, while the mean value for safe workplace and movement is 2.56. It can be concluded that both this cleanliness and safe workplace and movement factors have been well managed to contribute comfort to the users of the engineering laboratory to perform the work, while the work session has the lowest average mean value of 2.56 and need to be focused on improving, especially for item number 26, 27 and 30. Additional macroeconomic, which is management factor, contributed an average mean of 2.46. However, at the Tuanku Setengah Bahiyah Polytechnic, especially for students, safety briefing are always conducted by lecturers each time before conducting practical classes in workshop. In conjunction with the security certification audit from Department of Safety and Health or DOSH on last March 2022 and the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health NIOSH on August 2022, the series of briefings and security workshops were conducted to lecturers and students to increase the knowledge and awareness in mechanical workshop.